So, Mr. Gachagua, a free advice to you, don't vilify these youths. Give them something meaningful to do. Second, Mr. Gachagua, you have been bragging all along that you are the sons of Mau Mau. You and your other counterpart called Kimani Ichung'wah. I want to challenge you today, Mr. Gachagua, to tell Kenyans your relationship with Chief Nderi Gachagua Wang'ombe, who was assassinated by the Mau Mau in 1953 because of his collaboration with the brutal colonial regime. That Gachagua came from Madeira. So we want you to come clean and tell the Kenyans what is your relationship with that Nderi Gachagua Wang'ombe, the collaborator, so that people can then understand. And tell us also, if your father was a Mau Mau, what was his service number in the Mau Mau movement? The same thing with Kimani Ichung'wah. We have said, and I just want to underscore what these leaders from Central Province have said. They have said that they will not tolerate this, and we want to speak on behalf of other Kenyans, that we are fully in solidarity with what they have said. We'll stand strongly in solidarity with our people, friends, brothers and sisters from the Central Province. Central Province is very much part and parcel of Kenya, and we will make all the